High configuration open cell sealing making machine. The punching machine of the high-end grill machine is a 63-ton punching machine. The mold has been upgraded and can punch an entire line at a time. It is also equipped with an independent hydraulic punching station, with faster shearing speed and a production speed of 30 meter per minute. In the molding part, the high-end grill is equipped with an independent arch molding machine to produce products with higher accuracy. Standard open cell sealing making machine. We use 16-ton plus 4-ton power press to punch the hole and shearing. Punch speed is 150 strokes per minute, therefore, the shearing speed is relatively slow. As for the molding machine, an independent arch-type molding machine is used. The molded product has high precision, and is not easy to deform. The production speed is 7 to 8 meter per minute. Open cell sealing making machine. We use 16-ton plus 4-ton power press from famous brand Yangli to punch the hole and shearing. The punching mold is JE21160. Punch speed is 130 strokes per minute. The forming machine is driven by a chain system, and has a production speed of 10 meter per minute. Customized open cell sealing making machine. What is different from the traditional configuration of the open cell sealing roll forming machine is that the decoiler and leveling machines in the customized open cell sealing roll forming machine are equipped with hydraulic decoiling and high precision leveling. The punch machine uses a separate hydraulic punching station and a hydraulic shearing station. Each only one hole can be punched at a time. The rollers of the forming machine are customized according to production needs and are driven by servo motors. The production speed can reach 10 to 12 meter per minute.